Welcome. My name is Thomas Letford, and I'm here to share in this video the Form 8879. This form is used for Signature Authorization to send all federal tax returns to the IRS. And so it asks for certain information that comes from preparing the return that goes on here, and we send it to the IRS. Up here in this top portion, this information will be part of the company's information that taxpayers and tax preparers won't be familiar with because it's not for them to know. Taxpayer's name, social, spouse name, and social if it's a married filing joint return. Part 1, starting with 1, adjusted gross income will go on line 1. Total tax will go on line 2. Federal withholdings from W-2s and 1099s will go on line 3. 4 for refunds, and 5 for people who owe. So if you got a refund, it's going to be on line 4. If you owe, it's going to be on line 5. And then we scroll down here to this section where it says taxpayer PN, check one box only. And normally we just click this box here where the firm name will be right here. The client's PIN number will be up in here, which is the fact that you know that the software normally generates automatically based on what type of software you're using. So with Drake, it generates automatically. With iTaxPrep Office, you have to manually put it in on this form. And so that's how that works when it comes to the PIN authorization. And so due to identity theft being what it is, using the last 5 digits of the social may still be used based on what place you went to as far as a tax firm is concerned. But trying to view the 5-digit PIN number that's outside of the last 5 digits of social is a better way to go. And so from there, down here will be the EFIN and the PIN number put together, which is part of the company's credentials. So the company EFIN and PIN number will go here. And based on who's doing the return, if you're the owner and preparer, then this belongs to you anyway. EIO signature goes right here, sign and date. Based on what software you use, this form will be printed out with the name already on it, and some will have it where you can sign off on it. So it varies based on software. And then this happens to have instructions attached to it that you can read about if need be when it comes to this particular form. So the 8879 is just a simple form we use to e-file all federal tax returns. And I'll see you in my next video.